lang. Hindi enough of one thing. Hi, I'm Bea.
And I'm Ira.
And we are aspiring Jersey engineers. Every evaluation exam, like every week na evaluation exam, meron kaming individual statistical data na kung saan pinipresent doon kung ano yung mga wrongs namin, kung anong percentage kami compared to our batchmates na reviewees. So, nakikita talaga namin kung anong mga topics na kailangan namin i-improve, ano yung mga concepts na kailangan pa namin i-master. So, yun po talaga yung one thing that I love about Jersey. Hindi naman po, parang hindi naman talaga sila nag-expect na mag-top. But like, yeah, we feel that we are supported enough by the instructors and also the staff of Jersey.
I would say na we're very supported, and I would say na yung review center, parang tinutulungan talaga kami, ma'am, na mag-grasp pa ng maraming concepts yan. So, hindi naman siya nakaka-pressure na mag-top. Yun nga, yung sinabi ni Bea na parang tinutulungan pa nila kami na i-remind talaga na license naman yung ultimate goal namin.